Did you know a close protection specialist earning $400,000 a year lost everything in 30 seconds? Marcus had been guarding Venezuela's wealthiest oil executive for 8 months. Every morning, the same routine. Armored convoy, predetermined routes, secure locations only. His team swept buildings hours ahead, coordinated with local police, maintained constant radio contact. The money was incredible, but the job felt almost boring. Then small things started changing. More protesters at public events, longer police response times. His requests for additional security kept getting denied to save costs. On March 15th, they attended a charity gala downtown. The venue hadn't been properly cleared. His backup team was running late, but the client insisted on making his speech anyway. Halfway through the event, gunmen stormed the main entrance. Marcus reached for his weapon, but the crowd panicked, crushing him against a pillar. His shoulder separated, ribs cracked. He couldn't even draw his gun. The client was kidnapped. Marcus never worked protection again.